Would you believe me if I tell you that sound travels at two different speeds on Mars? Obviously, sound travels slower in Mars compared to Earth because the Martian atmosphere is much thinner than Earth's atmosphere. And Martian atmosphere comprises predominantly of carbon dioxide. And it's completely different from Earth's atmosphere. Now, what they found is two of man's ingenious creations are right now moving in Mars. One is the Perseverance rover, which is moving on the Martian surface, blasting rocks with laser. And then there is the Ingenuity chopper, which is flying in the Martian atmosphere. What the scientists at Los Alamos National Lab in New Mexico realize is that these two sounds, that the sound of the chopper and the sound of the rover, travels at two different speeds. The explanation given is sounds of 240 hertz and above travel at a different speed compared to sounds of 240 hertz and below 240 hertz. So that is something amazing because sound has two different speeds. So the average speed of sound on Mars is something like 250 meters per second compared to 340 meters per second on Earth. So Mars is throwing a few surprises at us and is testing the basics of our physics. So please note, sound travels at two speeds in Mars. Sound of 240 hertz and above at one speed. Sounds of below 240 hertz at another speed. Amazing, isn't it? Thank you very much.